AMD, which is just out, the chip-making giant. Initially, we saw the shares fall because of the company's forecast. First quarter revenue, says AMD, is going to be $5.1 to $5.7 billion. Analysts had been looking for $5.77 billion. But as you can see, the shares are now rising, up 1.1% here. If you look at the fourth quarter numbers, they did beat estimates. Fourth quarter revenue of $6.2 billion, ahead of what the street had been looking for. Fourth quarter earnings per share in line with estimates. The company does say that first quarter gross margin is going to be about 52%, which is a little bit better, you could say, than what analysts had been anticipating. But I have to say I'm not quite sure why we saw the stock fall. It made more sense for the stock to fall with that forecast, but now we're seeing it bounce back.
And the context here, again, Julie, I'm starting to sound like a broken record here. But again, the ramp into this print, this stock was up, I mean, year to date, it was already up about 20% heading into this report. It was up more than 140% over the past 12 months. I think some big questions, like, again, AI is going to be huge. Remember, CEO Lisa Su had forecast $2 billion in sales of AI chips in 2024. And I know some on the street thought that was kind of conservative. It'll be just, they thought there actually might be some upside there. So does Lisa Su kind of give an update there? Will be really interesting. Kind of talking more about the AI competition. What does she think her advantages are in that fight with NVIDIA? Outlook for the PC market in 2024, critical, what that means for AMD, and of course the traditional data center business as well.
I really hope that our viewers are not playing a drinking game with us every time we say ramp or AI. They would be in serious trouble here today. But I'm going to read something that Lisa Su said in the statement here, Chair and CEO of AMD. Demand for our high-performance data center product portfolio continues to accelerate. I think that's a key word here, accelerate. Positioning us well to deliver strong annual growth is what is an incredibly exciting time as AI reshapes virtually every part of the computing market. So that's her commentary there. We will see what kind of commentary, speaking of which, we get on the call here, given that first quarter sales forecast is a little lackluster, but the margin forecast looks a little bit better. So hopefully we'll get a little bit of clarity on exactly what that is from here. The company did see big double-digit growth in a lot of its various sectors here. Data center segment revenue up 38%. Client segment revenue up 62%. Gaming segment revenue, though, down 17%. So that's an area that probably bears watching here.
Yeah, I mean, we talk about AI, we talk about PC, traditional data center, but also gaming for sure. What is Lisa Su about her expectations kind of for that part of the business in 2024?